Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that T protocol token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, the T protocol is a decentralized technology framework that aims to enhance the sustainability and integrity of the software supply chain. The T mission is to enable open source software contributors to capture the value that they create. T is bringing Web3 innovation to open source software. The T protocol uses proof of contribution, a novel ranking algorithm that measures the impact of every project in OSS ecosystem. The T protocol operates as an incentive layer for integrating with all the major software package managers. T protocol token total supplies 100 billion and circulating supplies around 20 billion T token. T token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXCL Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.